How do I bleed air out of my propane lines? What's the difference between searching cable and antenna channels on my TV? Should I run my air conditioner on auto or high in the summertime? How do these jacks work? RVing can take a lot of education. That's why Great American RV is committed to doing just that. Going to our website, greatamericanrv.com, clicking on Helpful Hacks, you'll find frequently asked questions, video resources. You're also going to find the newly launched unit floor plan specific walkthroughs. Now your video resources will bring you to our YouTube channel where we have component specific videos that go through Dometic water heaters, furnaces, air conditioners with plenty of tips, small diagnostics, and a little bit of visual on how these things work and the best things that you can do to keep them running every day that you're camping. We'll go through your 12 volt and your 110 system, your water system. They're short RV 101 videos that help explain the simple systems in your RV. RVing doesn't have to be complicated, but sometimes we need a little refresher on things. Sometimes you run into situations where we need a little help. Well, Great American RV is here to do just that. With Helpful Hacks, we are constantly making videos to help you. With floor plan specific walkthroughs, you can walk through your particular unit and understand where each component is and how it works, with a few tips along the way. With Helpful Hacks, we are committed to educating you as a customer to help you make memories one weekend at a time.